In this video, we will demonstrate the process for installing a magnetic encoder into a FARGO DTC1250e card printer. To begin, tilt the printer forward onto its front side so we can access the screws in the back of the printer. With the back exposed, you should be able to clearly see the screws that need to be removed inside of the top cover. Be sure to remove both screws completely in order to free the top cover to be removed. Next, tilt the printer back up so that we can easily access the top of the printer. Remove the top cover by gripping at the front of the printer and lifting upwards. The magnetic encoder needs to be placed in the middle encoder bay and can be aligned using the two tabs on the sides of the magnetic encoder which line up with the slots on the side of the encoder bay. Be sure to fully push the encoder into the bay until it is secure. With the encoder installed, replace the top cover. It is a good idea to test the printer to ensure that the encoder is working before replacing the screws that secure the top cover.